everyone. Today we are going to start a new lesson of the Unit 2, B reading. So the name of the lesson is The Monkeys Go Fasting. Okay. So in the last class we have completed the A reading, and along with that we have completed the grammar and vocabulary part. So in this class we are going to start Unit 2 B reading of the 4th class. So the name of the lesson is The Monkeys Go Fasting. So let's start the lesson. So the story is very small and interesting. Let's read on. A group of monkeys decided to go on a fast one day. So a group of monkeys decided to go on a fast one day. Before we begin, I think we should keep the food ready with which we will break the fast, said the monkey chief. So what they had decided, one day they had decided to keep a fast. Before we begin, I think we should keep the food ready with which we will break the fast, said the monkey chief. Who said this word? The monkey chief. So the monkey chief said we have to keep the food ready to break the fast. The monkeys agreed. So all the monkeys agreed. The youngsters were sent in search of food. They returned with huge bunches of delicious looking bananas. So the young monkeys were going in search of food, okay, and they returned with huge bunches of delicious looking bananas. So they brought delicious bananas. In return they brought delicious bananas. I think each of us should keep our share of bananas with us before we began our fast. So everyone said that they should keep their share with us before they are going to break the fast. Okay. So that we don't spend time distributing them after we break our fast, so that they won't spend the time enough in distributing the bananas. Okay. You can imagine how hungry we will be by then, said the chief's wife. So what did the chief wife said? The monkey chief is also there and his wife is also there. Monkey's chief's wife. So the wife said to other monkeys, imagine how hungry we will be by then, said the chief's wife. The monkeys liked the idea and they collected the share of the bananas. So other monkeys agreed upon what did the chief's wife said, and they start collecting their share of the bananas. All of them had started distributing the bananas. So what happened next? So one of the youngster monkeys said, why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready to eat? So one of the youngest monkeys said, after distributing the bananas and collecting our shares, why won't we peel off the banana and keep it ready to eat? Okay. So they have decided that one of the youngest monkeys said, we will keep the bananas ready by peeling it off, so that we can eat it early as soon as we break the fast. So what happened next? Yes, let's do that, agreed a fat monkey. So one of the fat monkey agreed. What did the youngest monkey said? Youngest monkey said to peel off the bananas and keep it ready to eat. To peel off the bananas and keep it ready as soon as we break the fast. So one of the fat monkey agreed. What did the young monkey said? Just look at the bananas made him hungry. So as soon as they were seeing the bananas, they were feeling so much of hungry. So the fat banana said, yes, we have to keep our bananas ready by peeling it off. All right, said the monkey chief. So the monkey chief said, okay, we will do the, what did the young monkey said? All right, said the monkey chief, we shall peel the bananas, but under no condition should we eat them. So what did the chief said? Okay, we will peel off the bananas, but under one condition, that no one is going to eat them, only we are going to peel it off. Okay. So on this condition, the monkey chief said, we will keep the bananas ready, but no one is going to eat the banana. It is a condition. So the monkeys peeled their bananas and carefully kept them ready for eating in the evening. So what happened? So all the monkeys peeled off their bananas carefully and kept them ready to eat in the evening. Can I keep the bananas in my mouth? Who said this? I promise not to eat it all evening, till evening, please, a little monkey asked his father. So a little monkey, what did he said? A little monkey said, can I put the banana into my mouth, but I am not going to eat it till evening. And he is requesting to his father. What he is saying, little monkey? That he wants to keep the banana in his mouth, but he is not going to eat till evening. He is requesting to his father. So he is requesting to his father. Okay. Why don't we all put banana in our mouth? That way we can chew it immediately when we break the fast, said the father. So what did the father say to other monkeys? Why don't we put the bananas in our mouth so that we can chew them as soon as we break the fast, said the father. By advising this, that we are going to put the banana in our mouth, but we are not going to eat it till the evening. As soon as we break the fast, it will be easy for us for chewing it. As long as we don't eat it, it should be fine. As I said, they have decided only to keep the bananas in the mouth, but they are not going to eat it. They are going to break the fast in the evening only. It should be fine. Okay. So the monkeys put the bananas in their mouth. So what did the father say? Everyone was agreed upon. So all the other monkeys has decided to keep the bananas in the mouth. Okay. One by one, they each by each uncomfortably. So all the monkeys, without chewing in the mouth, they have decided that yes, we will keep the bananas in the mouth. Each of them had started keeping the bananas in the mouth with uncomfortably. So they were so uncomfortably, they have started keeping the bananas in their mouth. You can imagine, with no time, the bananas disappeared down their throats. As soon as they started keeping the bananas in the mouth, you can imagine, within no time, they have started swallowing the bananas and into the throat. Within a second, the bananas got disappeared, and that was the end of their fast. So as soon as they started keeping the bananas in their mouth, within no time the bananas disappeared and went into the throat. In this way, all the monkeys has break their fast before evening. So the fast got break, and they ended the fast by eating the bananas within a no time. So and that was the end of their fast. In this way, they have break their fast. So they have decided to go for a fast, but they could not do so. Why? By seeing the bananas, they were feeling so hungry, they wanted to eat the bananas at that time, but they were, each one of them had started putting their ideas. That what was the ideas? That we will peel the mangoes and but not eat. What did the fat monkey said? Yes, we'll agreed upon. We'll just peel the bananas and we will keep it ready till the evening so that we can eat the bananas as soon as we can. So another, what happened? Little monkey said that we will keep the bananas in mouth, but we will not going to eat them. And he requested to his father, and father also said to everyone that we will keep the ready bananas and we will put into the mouth, but no one is going to eat till evening. As soon as they started keeping the bananas in the mouth, the bananas got disappear in a seconds. Everyone started eating them and down to their throats, and it was the end of their fast. In this way, we have completed the B reading of the unit 2. The monkeys go fasting. So in the next class, we will start with a new lesson, unit 3. Till then, take care. Thank you.